Welcome back to the channel, guys. So this is what happens when you try to mow your grass and you got a little bit of a gravel around your driveway. So I had the truck parked right here. Mower picked up a rock. It smashed right through the window. So I think it's a good time to put a slider in this truck. Originally it was just a simple window. It did have defrost, which never gets used. So I think it's a good time to put a slider in it. I'm thinking just a manual slider would be fine instead of trying to wire up a electrical one or a power slider. So I ended up vacuuming the whole inside of the truck. That's the only way to get the glass out. Here's a complete window in a box. The whole thing just shattered. Ended up using a vacuum. It's the only way to get it out. So let's get a new slider and get that put in. So here we have the slider installed into the truck now. That came out pretty good. Definitely gives the truck a different look. It's kind of an easy upgrade. Like I said, in my case, the window was broken. So this is a manual slider. Let's take a look at it from the inside. Here's how it looks from the inside. Again, being manual slider, works just like so. I've had this installed by a professional window installer. It's something you can do on your own, but by the time you buy the glue and the equipment that you need to remove the old glass, it's just not worth it unless you're going to be doing a lot of them. I'd recommend just having a professional put it in for you. And in the end, it will have to be vacuumed out again. There are some pieces of glass in here still, so I'll get that vacuumed out. I think it was a great upgrade. I paid about $100 for the window itself and another $100 for the installation. So for $200, we have a slider in here. This was the only option this truck did not have. So that's my reason for doing that. It will probably never get used, but it's good to have this option. It kind of completes everything on this truck. Now, like I said, you do have the option of going a power slider. It's put in the same way. You would just have to wire up the motor and a switch obviously in the dash to work the slider. But overall, I think it gives it a great look. Here's a picture of what the truck looked like before, just with the regular defrost straight window. And now with the slider. Thank you for watching.